Okay, so I'm going to tell you a story and a journey that that I spent the last 5 years, let's say, working on that. And so I'm going to tell you about my experience of working in standardization that is now more or less more finished, and one of the experiences that I've made. And I hope that you enjoy the talk. But first, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me. And I hope that you're going to have a very nice conference in Porto. Porto is a very nice city, although I'm from Lisbon and we have some rivalry, but Porto is also very, very, very friendly and very good city to stay with. And so enjoy your conference. And so let me start. So I'm going to talk about JPEG AI, the first international standard for image coding, as was previously introduced. So I'm a professor in Instituto Técnico, University of Lisbon. And so the outline of my talk is to start with some context and motivation. I'm going to talk about the JPEG AI project. I'll also speak about what is called JPEG AI verification model, performance evaluation, going forward, and so these are the topics that I'm going to address. So a little bit about context. So nowadays, there are many, many images that are being acquired. So as you can see here, the number of photos taken yearly from 2013 to 2024 has increased. It decreased a little bit during the pandemic, but not to rebound back with much strength and much. And so you can see that is a linear progression on the number of photos that are being taken. And of course, 94% of all photos are taken by smartphone cameras, while only about 60% of them are taken nowadays by standard cameras. And one of the many applications of image, especially, is to share these images, and you share this image, and everybody does it with WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. Now depends on where you are and what you like more to do it. But there is besides this consumption of the images, there is a rich ecosystem of image technologies. So images nowadays, you can start to see that some of the images on your smartphone are now rather bright. What is going on is HDR. HDR is a technology that is now moving forward and is being deployed in many smartphones and in many devices. You can see digital cinema is one of the cases that actually is not video, is about fidelity, is very important for that. And so you typically code and you represent the video as a succession of images that are independently. You can see storage, of course, cloud storage. You can see photo collection, virtual reality, augmented